Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from African Mall. I'll have all of their information, promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. Don't forget to check down below for more information. The wig that we will be working with today is a 12-inch, 180% density, 13x4 lace frontal wig. This wig comes pre-plucked with 4 inches of parting space, 3 combs, and an adjustable strap. So here's how the wig looks when you first take it out of the package and place it on your head. One thing that I love about wigs that come with a bang is that you do not have to glue them down at all. You can get away with just using the combs with this wig or an adjustable strap and elastic band, and you don't have to worry about anything. So because this wig is already styled for you, it's perfect for beginners. You can just take it out of the box, lightly flat iron it, put it on your head and go, literally. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that I will be doing is dyeing this hair jet black. To do that, I'll be doing the watercoloring method to darken the hair color. I'm going to grab a glass bowl, hot water, and a tube of jet black hair dye from Adore. I'm going to pour half of the contents of that hair dye into the water and stir it with my whisk. Because this wig is already pre-styled and it does have a part and bangs, I want to make sure that as I am dyeing this hair and then afterwards when I am washing and conditioning and drying the hair, I want to make sure that that part stays permanent in the hairstyle, of course. So to do that, I'm going to grab some bobby pins and I'm basically going to pin down the hair surrounding the part and also pin down the bangs in the front. That's just going to help keep that form of the part so that I don't have any issues once it's dried. Now that we're finished with the dye solution, I'm going to grab the wig and begin to plunge it in and out of the water just to make sure that all of the hairs are fully coated and submerged in that solution. I am going to leave the entire wig submerged fully in the water for about 2 minutes, and then because there is lace on the lace frontal, I don't want that to turn black, because then it will be obviously harder to blend in with my skin color if it's black. So I am going to make sure that after 2 minutes, I grab the lace from the lace frontal and I hold it upside down so that the hairs on the frontal are dyeing and that the actual lace is above the water. I'm going to leave the wig to process in the dye for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I'm going to wash and deep condition this wig. Okay, so now that the hair has air dried, we're going to pluck some hairs away from the parting space because I did find that the part was a little skinnier than I would want it to be. So I'm just going to pluck a few hairs from the parting space and then we're going to be ready for the next step. Okay, it's time to cut the extra lace off. I'm grabbing my razor blade and I'm just going to razor in front of the hairline just to make sure that I'm carving out the hairline that came on this wig, and then we'll be ready to style this hair. I'm going to grab a Silkening Gloss by Kenra, and I'm just going to apply that to the hair just to make sure that it has like a healthy sheen as I am flat ironing through it. I'm grabbing my flat iron and a chaser comb and I'm just going to press out this hair. And now I'm just going to grab some powder foundation, and I am going to turn the wig inside out and apply the powder foundation to the underside of the parting space. Although I am in love with the cut and I do love how this hair looks so classic when it's straight, I am going to show you guys a little more versatility by flipping the ends on the hair. I know you guys know that flips are super on trend this season, and it was over the summer as well. So I am just going to do a really cute, quick flipped hairstyle using my flat iron. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you prefer this hairstyle in flips or straight. If you get this wig, how would you be wearing it? I just love the fact that you can switch it up, and it looks really cute and trendy, and it's super easy for beginners. I'll leave all of the information, the direct link, and promo codes down below in the description box. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I feel something.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.